Hi there, Colin from Ninja here. In this video, I'm going to chat through how to use shortcodes in WooCommerce to pull in data from Thinkific to display it on the front end. This is going to be a developer-focused talk. However, I'm going to keep it relatively light and point you towards some deeper documentation on WooNinja.io. To get started, I'm going to assume you're familiar with WordPress and WooCommerce. I'm also going to assume you're familiar with shortcodes and how to use them within the WordPress ecosystem. Also, you're going to need to install the Thinkific extension for WooCommerce. If you don't have that installed, check out my other videos and you'll get started there. So first and foremost, I've come into a product here on WooCommerce, and I've also set up this product to sync data from Thinkific, this little button here. What this does is each time the product is updated in WooCommerce, it'll pull in data from the Thinkific API and store it locally. This allows you to use it in shortcode. So if things aren't appearing, double check that this is ticked. Make sure you click update and also wait a couple of seconds, maybe up to 5 minutes for that data to pull in and be available. Above here, you can see I've got started on some shortcodes. So we can pull in the fields and we can also do what's called a has purchased check. And what this does is allows to show our high content based on if that user has bought this particular course. So what I've done here is I pulled in the product name, the instructor first name, and the instructor last name. Now you're probably asking, where did I get those from? If I scroll down and just close this box for a moment, you'll see Thinkific product data. So here we can see the product name is the accounting course. And if we scroll right the way down, we can see a lot more information, for example, the product card URL. So if you're a developer, you can pull in the image from Thinkific directly. We can also see, for example, the course card, and below here, we can see the instructor first name and last name. The way this works is everything becomes lowercase with underscore. So instructor first name will become lowercase instructor underscore first underscore name, and similar for the last name. So lowercase instructor underscore last underscore name. And if we scroll up to the very top here, we can see how this is done. We can see instructor underscore, first and last name. If I come over to the product page, again, I'm using a very basic theme, the shop theme from WooCommerce, just to kind of keep everything a little visible. We can see here in the description the information being pulled in. So accounting course is the product name from Thinkific. And Thinkific, when they use the term products, they could be referring to courses and bundles, so it works for both. And the first and last names are Colin Longworth, that's me. Below this, we can see you own this course being displayed because I previously bought this course. I have access to it. So you can create a Udemy-like experience that when someone is navigating WooCommerce, they can see which courses they own. There's a host of filters and hooks available to you within the plugin. So if you're a developer, please feel free to dive in. If you have any requests, please let me know. I'm more than happy to add them to the plugin. But in the meantime, all the best, stay safe, and I hope to hear from you very soon.